In today's video, I'll show you on how you can cancel a subscription to Liftosaur. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your Play Store if you're using your Android devices right here. If you're using an iOS device, just head over to your system settings, click on your Apple IV, and from there click on subscriptions, and you will be able to cancel it that way. But if you're on your mobile devices, head over to the Google Play Store. In here, you then want to click on your profile icon, navigate through the payments and subscription, click on the subscription option, and from here you then click on a specific subscription. In our case, it's going to be Liftosaur, but in my case, I'll just use the YouTube Music as an example. And from here, we then have the ability to cancel our subscription by clicking the bottom of the screen right here, which is the cancel subscription option. Just click on it and basically you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.